Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Airpods 3rd generation. To get started, I'm going to go ahead and cut open this box. Alright, so this is the Airpods 3rd generation. As you can see, it says Airpods, and then it says MagSafe charging case. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these tabs so that way we can get into the box. So open that and put it aside. You get your Designed by Apple in California. You have your AirPods quick start and setup guide. You have your safety and handling information, your regulatory compliance, and your warranty information. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside. You have the AirPods right here, front and center. I'm gonna go ahead and place these aside. You have this little tab right here to pull up on. And in here you have a USB-C to Lightning charging cord. So that way you're able to charge it. There is no charging brick, and unfortunately they don't give you a USB-C to MagSafe charging cable. All right, let's go ahead and get this plastic off of here. There we go. Usually it all breaks at once, but it didn't want to. So there are the AirPods 3rd generation. They do kind of resemble the Pros, but not exactly. They're pretty close though. So these are the Pros, and then these are the 3s. So the case is just slightly smaller, just by a hair. So you can see that it's almost there. They're almost about the same size. All right, and then opening these up, you can see the inside here with their brand new design. See if it'll, how it gets on here. Oh wow, perfect. They actually added magnets to it, so it'll magnet. All right, and then to set them up, you're going to go ahead and get an Apple device. I'm just gonna grab my iPad really quick, and then you're gonna open the AirPods, and you'll get a pop-up on your screen that will basically just tell you to connect. Let me just fix my focus here really quick. All right, perfect. So you're just gonna tap connect. Once you tap connect, that's all that there is to it. The AirPods have a very, very simple setup procedure. You just press connect, and then they sync with all of your devices on iCloud. So if you go on your Mac, on your iPhone, your iPad, or if you just have your Apple Watch with you and you have cellular data and you're at the gym, it'll know that you have those devices and it'll connect to the AirPods automatically, which is pretty awesome. It's one of the reasons why the AirPods have been such an amazing product for people who have Apple devices. Just because you get those features and you don't get them anywhere else. Like, unfortunately, there is no other devices, no other company that has been able to integrate things as neatly as Apple has, unfortunately, but maybe in the future we'll see more. Anyways, guys, I thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel today. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more. Thumbs this video up if you liked it. Don't forget to check out my music, which is also available in Dolby Atmos on the platforms like Apple Music, Amazon Music, and I believe Spotify. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next YouTube video.